What's up, everybody? We've got some news on the Musares website. We have bad and good news. We'll start with the bad news. The free mockup pack isn't available anymore. We've made it €2 from now on. We've made it free for long enough.
So, right, everyone who got the free pack till now is lucky because it's not here anymore. But we got an alternative, and that's the free Friday pack or mockup. Every week on Friday, you'll be able to get a free mockup.
So basically, if you come back every Friday and claim your weekly free mockup on Friday, you can actually get like the basic pack
plus the premium.
plus the premium pack.
If you're patient enough. But if you're not patient enough, you can always buy the premium and the ultimate pack. We're the cheapest mockups. We have the cheapest mockups on the market right now.
And we're also probably one of the only ones that are giving away free mockups, so
free stuff,
which are actually high quality, easy to use, and pretty professional.
As you all can see, if you're following us for a while now, you know the first website we made. But as you can see right now on your screen, or if you go to the website right now, you see the website is completely different. We changed a lot. We made it far more professional than it ever was. But we also did something else for you guys that just want to test some pieces out. We also dropped the separate mockup pack, so every item is separate for only 50 cents.
50 cents per piece.
50 cents. So you can buy the separate mockups for just 50 cents. So
50 cents per piece.
It's nothing.
Again, really easy to use, very easily usable in all kinds of programs such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and if you want a free version of Photoshop, you can use Canva, or a free version of Illustrator, you can use also Canva.
So also, for the people that want to buy the premium pack but don't want to spend €6, add it to cart, go to the checkout, go for the item and use MUSARESFREE. What this will do is give you the premium mockup pack for completely free. So let's check out. It's free, so
perfect.
The weekly free of this week, and let's design something cool.
Alright, so we finished our designs, and now we're going to show you what I made, and then we're going to show you what he made, so you can see what a beginner can do with this mockup pack and what a experienced person can do with this mockup pack. So I will put it on my computer and you show the viewers on yours. Freaky Friday! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you my design. So on the left you see I did some little changes. I made a little zip-up hoodie from Ralph Lauren. I added the zipper, I added the zipper closer, I added some hoodie strings, and yeah, made it color a little bit blue. I deleted the pouches on the bottom, and then on the back side I just made a little nice big Ralph Lauren design on the back.
A little big.
And a little big design on the back. What a horse. So yeah, that's pretty much my design. Pretty basic, pretty clean. I would wear it personally because I designed it. It's very nice looking. Yeah, and I also did something a little bit original. I put it on the wrong side.
Very original, eh?
Yeah, it's my little...
But also, the zipper, it's not from this pack.
Yeah, also, the add-ons I did with a little bit of add-ons from the other pack, which you can get, by the way, in the premium mockup pack. So you can make a little bit of changes like this. So yeah, that's my design.
Alright, let's go to my design. First of all, I made the pouch a bit wider, so I don't know why, but I did it. So that's also possible. It's very customizable. You just have to use your creativity. So I made a beach sweater for if you go surfing and you're wet, you want to wear a sweater afterwards. So that's what I made. We have the custom Musares logo. So it's not the logo, but it's like the name. And then I did a bit of warping and stuff on it. So that's the front. It's very basic. The only thing I really changed was the color and of course the logo and the pouch. So I made it wider. We also have the back. So I have a big back design. What I did was I used the same logo on the back. I also have a surfboard, but I changed it in uh, Photoshop. So if you go and look, it was a so completely I completely like changed it. This is the original surfboard. So you also have to like play with different programs if you have them, and trying to use like different techniques.
So that was pretty much it for today. Again, if you guys want to have the premium pack for free, you can use this code right here, which is on his head right now, and you will get this premium pack for free. Only the first 50 people can use it, so be quick if you watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one with some more exciting updates.